We can all be laughing at work because, according to research, humor increases social engagement and improves retention of information. So let's wrap everything in comedy, especially workplace training. Have you ever sat through something like this? Keep in mind that the position description is a legal document that is discoverable in court. Now, HR has a small budget for hard-to-fill positions, and hiring managers, you are often the best resource for determining effective recruitment options. So let us know if you think you might need an advertising budget. Skype may be used for video conferencing. Make sure to contact ITS at least 3 to 4 days prior to the interview to ensure appropriate technology is available. Instead, let's offer something like this. And finally, keep in mind that the JD is a legal document discoverable in court, so don't include any pictures of your nieces or nephews or pets or anything from your Niagara Falls trip, or really just don't include any pictures at all. Just keep it simple. Now, HR has a small advertising budget for hard-to-fill positions, but whatever we don't spend at the end of the year, we get to use on our human resources laser tag team building blowout, or what we call our So hey, hiring managers, you are often the best resource for determining effective recruitment options, but don't be constantly coming to us asking for an advertising budget, okay? Because we loves our laser tag. Skype may be used for video conferencing. Make sure to contact ITS a few days prior to the interview to ensure appropriate technology is available, and to make sure you don't have any weird video filters turned on.
That's good.
Imagine your employees being so engaged with the content that they even want to share it with others. That's what comedy can do. It can get us all laughing at work.